Hello and welcome. This video is for a user who asked me how long it takes till the chainsaw is turning off automatically. So it is a DUC353. I have got 2 batteries in it, and to start it you just push the button for a second. Now it's green. It's working, and if I leave it this way, it takes kind of, I think, 9 seconds until it turns off. So the easy way is I put it on 45, $55. Okay, it's 10 seconds. Now you know it takes 10 seconds until it turns off automatically, and then you just turn it on by pushing the button for 1 second. So I think this should not be the problem. I hope this answer helped a bit, so see you next time.